How to change your email on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your email on chess.com. First of all, log in into your chess account, and then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner where you can see some icons, then click on the settings icon. Once you've done that and you're brought to your profiles page, scroll down and then you will see your email address. Your email address is located below last name and above locations. So go to the right side and click on change. So by the time you click on change, on most occasions, you would first of all be asked to change your password. This is for security reasons and to be sure that you're the one. And so after changing your password, you might be asked to log in again. Ensure you carry out all of these procedures. And then once you are brought back to your own page, find your way to this page again. And just find your way to your settings, profile, click on change email, and then be brought to this page. So the next step will be for you to erase the current email that is being displayed here. All right, you can just erase it. And after erasing it, enter the new email that you would like to use. Then confirm the email. Then move to the bottom right corner, click on save, and then your email would be changed. The reason why mine is not changed is because I already have an account with this particular email. But for you, once you click on save, the email will be changed automatically. All right, so that is it. Ensure you tried it out. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.